The question is, we have if cos theta is equals to 7 by 8, evaluate the first one. They have given the two things to find here. First one, in that we have 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. Sorry, 1 minus cos theta. So this is the thing they have told us to find, the first one. The second one, they have informed us to find the cot square theta. So these are the two things we have to find. So here, according to that, we want to know what is sin theta, cos theta and cot theta, because here they have mentioned in the question sin theta, cos theta and the cot theta. So we must know what is the value of this. But we know what is cos theta. The cos theta they have given, sorry, not cos, cot notice.
Yes, sir.
They have given cot theta for us. The cot theta value is 7 by 8 they have given. The cot theta value they have given as 7 by 8. So we have to find here sin and cos, because the cot is already known for us. So only we have to do the square of it. So first, how to find the cot theta? So we have to draw one triangle. Simply we have to draw one triangle, and we will take any angle for it. That is A, B, that is a value we can give, and always theta with the have given. So theta, I will take this theta as this one. So obviously it is opposite sides will be this one, adjacent will be this one, and the hypotenuse will be this. So now cot theta they have already mentioned for us. So cot theta I will take. Cot theta is equals to 7 by 8. What is cot theta actually? How we can find the cot? In terms of opposite, adjacent.
Adjacent by.
Adjacent by
Opposite.
Adjacent by opposite. So we have that adjacent side as 7. So adjacent side what we have, that is 7. Then opposite side what we have, that is 8. So adjacent side here we have, so it is 7 here, and opposite side what we have, that is 8 for us. So we have to find the hypotenuse, what it is hypotenuse. So apply the Pythagoras theorem. So I can write down by Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have that the hypotenuse square. So directly we can write it down. Hypotenuse square is equals to sum of the other two sides, that is opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay, like this way also we can write it down. If you don't know what is that ABC, if they have not mentioned here ABC, so we can write it down as hypotenuse square is equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. So in hypotenuse we don't know, so we will write down hypotenuse square as it is. But opposite we know, opposite is 8 square and adjacent is 7 square, because 7 we have, so 7 square. So 8 square is how much? Be quick enough.
64.
Yeah, 49 is the 7 square. So if we'll add together, it will be how much?
130.
130. That is our hypotenuse. That is hypotenuse square. But we want the hypotenuse, so hypotenuse will become the square on this side, will become square root of 130. So we are getting one hypotenuse in terms of the square root. So we have to write down in terms of the square root itself. So hypotenuse will become 113. That is the square root of 130. So now we will find what is sin theta, cos theta and cot theta. Cot theta already know. So we have to find the sin theta. Also we have to find what is cos theta, because we have to apply here. So obviously we will take it down the first sin theta. So I will write down here sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So opposite side here obviously we know 8. 8 by root 13, root 130. So that is sin theta for us. This one you have to remember. And similarly we have the cos theta to find. So cos theta is equals to, cos theta also is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent over here is 7 and hypotenuse here is root 113. So that is cos theta. So these are the two things we have to remember. So now let us substitute this value, these two values, in the answer, that is what we have to find. So we will go back to this question, the first question, that is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by, we have 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. And one thing I will ask you, I will tell you directly, because this we have the sin theta and all, just if you substitute, don't write down this, just I will tell you, if you substitute this, what will happen, we will see. So if you substitute the value, see here we have 1 here, and the sin theta value is 8 by root 13. So 1 divided by root 113 we are going to have, and we will multiply this. We will multiply this with 1 minus 8 divided by root 113. Okay, that is the first thing what we are going to get. Similarly, divided by, we will do the same over here. So it is nothing but here we can find 1 plus cos theta. The cos theta is 7 divided by root 113, and we have 1 minus 7 divided by root 113. This is our cos theta value. Okay, this is the values you have to remember. So I hope you understood what I have done. But this is the one method we can apply. Next step, we can make this one as a plus b form, and it is a minus b form. That is also can be possible, and we can directly write it down. Or else what you can do is, in the question only, they have a 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta. Already it is in a form of what? A plus b into a minus b. What is a plus b into a minus b?
A minus b whole square.
Yes, a square minus b square, not a minus b whole square. A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. That we can apply here, and we can write 1 square minus sin square theta. We can write it down like that way. Or divided by 1 square minus cos square theta. That is also can be written. Otherwise, and you can substitute that value. Otherwise, in the values you can substitute. Here you have the value. Already you found the values. That is 1 plus a divided by root 113, 1 minus a divided by 113. That you can have that in a form of a plus b into a minus b. So the final answer will become 1 square minus 8 divided by root 113 the whole square. Okay. So next, whole divided by, downward also similar. It is in a form of a plus b, and on the other hand we have a minus b. So it is 113 here. 170, 113 it is. So this also can be possible here. So it is we can write it down in terms of what? 1 square minus 7 divided by root 113 the whole square. This is also can be written like this. So it is nothing else than you have applied here what? A plus b into a minus b form. Anyone have a doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now let us continue. 1 square will remain 1 square. 1 square is 1 itself. 8 square, this square I have to take it for both number. 8 square is 64. Divided by root 113 we have. Root 113 the whole square we have. So root will get cancelled. So it will remain only 113. Whole divided by 1 square here. 1 square will remain 1 only. Minus 7 square is 49. And divided by again root 113 we have, the whole square we have, that is nothing but 113. The root gets cancelled. Okay. So till here you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, sir.
Okay. Now let us continue further. So I will take a little bit left hand side, and we will continue this. So next one, what we will continue is that calculation part. So I will put on line here. Here 1. That is equals to 1 minus 64 divided by 113 we have. We will take the LCM of it. LCM will be This is here 1 we have, and here we have 113. We will take the LCM of 1 and 113. Obviously, the LCM will become 113. And obviously, we have to multiply that 1 to that 113. This will be 1 into 113. And 113 will be here. And minus we will have with the 64. So it is the LCM part. Okay. So similarly, we are going to have downward also, that is nothing but 113 once again is a common. So we have 1 into 113 is 113 minus 49. So I have taken the LCM here. I have taken the LCM here and I have done the calculation. I hope you have understood this. I think you don't have any doubt regarding this. Here I have taken the LCM and I have calculated. This 1 and 113 LCM is 113. And that 113 I have multiplied with the 1 and it is 113 here, and 1 into 64 is 64 itself. Similarly on the other hand, 113 and 1 we have, the LCM is 113 itself. 113 is a 1 in 113 only, and this 49 is here itself. So I hope you don't have any doubt regarding this. Anyone have a doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, next
No,
113 minus 64. 113 minus 64 is nothing but how much? Just now I have calculated while finding the Pythagoras theorem. How much? 49 divided by 113. Whole divided by 113 minus 49 is 64. Whole divided by 113. So here 113 and 113 get cancelled. How it get cancelled? If you have a doubt, just don't cancel now. Next step I can cancel it. So what will happen that 49 divided by 113, the above one, I have written as it is, but the whole division by this again we have no, that will go and multiply with the reciprocal to the numerator and denominator. So this obviously is 113 get cancelled. Remaining will be 49 divided by 64, and this is your answer. Again, simplification further is not possible. Both are square numbers, but the simplification further is not possible. So this is your answer for the given 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta. Here you have the question, and 1 divided by 1 plus cos theta minus 1 minus cos theta. So if you want, you can write it down once again, that value, that is 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta whole divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equals to 49 by 64. Okay, so anyone have a doubt for this?
No, sir.
Okay, let me continue with the next part, the second one. Again, they have told us to find the second one also, that is cot square theta. So let us go for the cot square theta. So when we will go for the cot square theta, I will take again screen on the right hand side. Cot theta value already we know. Cot theta already they have given in terms of 7 by 8. So let us substitute the 7 by 8 as it is. The whole square we have. Cot square theta is nothing but cot theta the whole square. That is also same. So cot square theta is nothing but, I will write it down here. Cot square theta is nothing but cot theta the whole square. Both are similar. Both are not different. So now 7 by 8 is a cot theta value. So 7 square is 49 and 8 square is 64. Obviously, if you see it clearly, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, what is the value we got at the end? The same value we got for the cot square theta, which we can find at the end. We can justify that 49 by 64, here also 49 by 64. Obviously, they have not told us to do this, but I will show you. 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta, formula it is divided by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Total value will become cot square theta. So this is your verification. Actually, for this purpose, they have given this. Means the two questions, what when you will multiply, it will be equal. This can be simplified further. It is in a form a plus b and a minus b. So it is 1 square minus sine square theta divided by 1 square minus cos square theta is also is equal to cot square theta. This is one formula what you have to learn. 1 square is 1 itself. So this is a formula. Again, it can be simplified further that you don't know, but I will tell you when I will teach. It can be simplified further because we will have the identity for the trigonometry also. How you are having the identities? You might have learned the identity that is a plus b the whole square, a minus b the whole square, that is x plus a into x plus b. In that identity what we had, the similar identities you also going to have for trigonometry, but different way using the trigonometric functions. Okay, so anyone have a doubt here, you can ask me. Okay, all of you listen here. In a triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. See here, tan A value they have mentioned, the tan A is equals to 1 by root 3. And also they have told us to find that the value of sin A into cos C, sin A into cos C and cos A into sin C, that is the first one. And second one, they have told us to find cos and cos C and minus sin A sin C. So these are the things what actually we have to find. So here the question is direct. So what we will have to do the first, that is the same tan A value they have given. So let us write down tan A is equals to 1 by root 3 value. So that is our tan A. Here we have 1 divided by root 3 value. Okay, so tan A value is 1 divided by root 3. So here they have given. So next one, actually they have mentioned for us is to find the sine and cos. So how to find the sine and the cos using this tan 1 by root 3? So anyone, you have the answer for this? So it is a direct form only. You have to draw the triangle once again. Similar way what we have done for the previous one. Okay, so we have to draw one triangle here. So anyhow you can draw the triangle. This is the hypotenuse and this is the angle you can take as a. This angle you can take as C, and right angle let be the angle, so 90 degrees B. And here we can't consider both the time as A as the main angle. We can't consider A as the main angle because they have mentioned here sin A once, and also they have mentioned in terms of sin C. See, they have mentioned 2 times, that sin A and cos sin C also. So it will be difficult for us to have that both sin A and sin C. We have to change every time. And also they have in cos C and cos A. So here also we have that cos C and cos A. Means the keep on changing, the angle is keep on changing. So I can't take exactly the value. So tan A they have given. So I will take tan A. So A is the main angle now. So opposite side will be this one and adjacent will be this one. So tan A value already given 1 by root 3. So this is opposite by adjacent. Tan A value is nothing but opposite by adjacent. So obviously here opposite is nothing but BC and adjacent is nothing but AB. So the BC value is 1 we can consider, but it is 1k, let it be 1 we can consider, and adjacent value we can consider as root 3. Remember this. So we have to find what now? Only one thing is left, that is hypotenuse. The hypotenuse if you will find, you can find the value of this. So let us go for the again Pythagoras theorem. So we can apply the Pythagoras theorem. So just you have to see. Okay. So again we have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem. So we can write it down that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square we don't know, so we will find the AB square. AB is nothing but a root 3 the whole square, and BC square is nothing but 1 square. root and square get cancelled, so remaining will be 3 and 1. So here the AC square is equals to 4. So here the AC square is equals to 4. I will write it down here. AC square is equals to 4. So the AC value will become root of 4. Root of 4 is nothing but 2. So we got that hypotenuse, that is nothing but 2 as the hypotenuse. These are the three values what is required. Now very importantly, we have to find the sine, cos and cos. In terms of A, first we will find. So first we will go for the sine A. So in terms of A, I am finding sine A is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Here the opposite is nothing but BC and hypotenuse is nothing but AC. Okay, so that is the first. So what is that BC value? See, here we have to go through the BC value, AC, AB value and AC value itself. So I will write it down all the three values. That is AB value is root 3, AC value is 2 and BC value is 1. Remember this value, because we are not going to write in terms of opposite by adjacent, because each time the opposite and adjacent is going to change. When you are applying for the tan A, opposite will remain BC itself and adjacent will remain AB itself. Okay, so let us write down BC value. BC value is 1, opposite side is 1, divided by AC value. The AC value is what
2.
here? Yes, 2. Very good. So 2 we are going to have. Sine A value will become half. Similarly, we have to find cos A also. So cos A value is equals to cos A. When it will come, we have to go to the adjacent by hypotenuse. So adjacent here is AB divided by AC. I have told adjacent hypotenuse. If you will write, okay, but don't stick to that same number. So AB value is here
Root 3.
Very good. Divided by AC value is 2. So that is your
2.
cos A value. So these are the two values we have to remember. Using A we have done this. Using A we have done. So this is the two values. Similarly, we have to go to the sine B also, because in the question they have given, we have to find the not sine B, sorry, sine C also. Here we need the sine C also. So let me go for the sine C. So sine C value when you are finding, now the angle is not A now. What is the angle now? What is the angle we have to concentrate, and which is the main angle here? Whether A or C?
Angle C.
Yes, we
Angle
have to
C.
concentrate on the angle. So this is the main angle. So opposite will be this one, AB now. Opposite is AB now. And adjacent will become BC. So sine C is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite here is AB divided by hypotenuse. So the sine C value will become, opposite is root 3. Hypotenuse, I have written hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is not
2.
going to change. It is same. Just AC itself. You can write down here AC if you want. So it is 2. So sine C value will become root 3 by 2. And similarly, we have to go for the cos C also. Cos C will become now adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is here BC now. Hypotenuse is AC itself. BC value is 1 and AC
1.
value is 2. So it is half. So these are the value apply in the given question. These are the two questions, apply and get that answer, final answer. So let me solve that. I will take it a little bit right hand side. So sine A into cos C, yes, the first question. The first question to find is sine A into cos C and added together with the cos A with the sine C. So we will apply this value. Sine A value we already know. Sine A value is here half. Cos C value is half once again into half plus cos A value. Cos A value is root 3 by 2. Yes, root 3 by 2. And sine C value is here root 3 by 2.
Root 3 by 2.
So we will multiply and you will get the answer. 1 square. 1 into 1 is 1 square. 1 only. 2 to the 4. Root 3 into root 3. Root 3 the whole square. Root and 3 get cancelled. Root and square get cancelled. Root 3 the whole square. 2 to the 4. Here this what will happen? Root and square get cancelled. So remaining is 1 by 4 and here remaining is 3 by 4. So LCM is already 4 itself. 1 plus 3. We have to add them. 1 plus 3 is 4 by 4. So that is 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 by 4 we are going to get cancelled, and the remaining will be how much? 1. So at the
1.
last we can write it down that sin A into cos C plus cos A into sin C is equals to 1. So that is your answer. But we have to move on to the next part also. The next part is second one. So second one is here. We have to prove this also. That is cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C. So cos A value, what we have here? Cos A, again cos A is here, root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. And cos C value is 1/2. Half it is. Minus sin A value is a half. And sin C value is root 3 by 2. So again the calculation part, 2 to the 4. Root 3 into 1 is root 3. Minus root 3 as it is, 2 to the 4. Root 3 divided by 4 and root 3 minus root 3 by 4. So we can take the LCM if you want, and it will remain root 3 minus root 3. What is root 3 minus root 3?
0.
0 by 4. 0 by 4 is 0 itself. So cos A into cos C minus sin A into sin C is equals to 0 in this question. But in every question it may be same or it may be not equal to 0. So remember this. This is the answer of the 9th question of 11.1 exercise.